It's a busy earnings day. Two of Japan's top three car makers report first quarter earnings after the Tokyo market closes in just over 3 hours from now. Mike Fern is in Tokyo, and he's here to tell us what Honda and Nissan are likely to report. Mike.
Not looking good, Susan. Both companies probably losing money in the 3 months through June the 30th. Sales sliding in their biggest markets, such as North America. Analysts say that Honda's net loss was 58.5 billion yen. That's $619 million. It earned 180 billion yen profit in the first quarter of 2008. Investors will be watching to see if Japan's second biggest car maker revises its full-year forecast of a 71% drop in profit. Unlike Toyota and Nissan, though, it is still forecasting a profit this fiscal year. And as for Nissan, analysts are forecasting a 40 billion yen loss in the fiscal first quarter. That's $423 million. It will be Nissan's third straight quarterly loss. The company is forecasting its second year of losses as the global recession cuts demand and also the stronger yen eats into revenue. The Japanese currency an average 8% stronger against the dollar in the April to June quarter than it was a year earlier. Now, Nissan's chief executive officer, Carlos Ghosn, didn't earn the name the cost cutter for nothing. He is slashing 20,000 jobs this year. He says that global vehicle sales will be nearly 10% lower than they were a year earlier. Nissan shares, though, doing rather well this year. They've almost doubled in value, up 95.6%. They ended the morning session unchanged. Honda shares up 44% since the start of the year. Today, they're up by about 1/5%. Now, 11 of the 23 analysts who cover Honda say buy the shares, 11 say hold, only one recommends selling. As for Nissan, we've got 7 buys, 11 holds, and 4 sells on that company. Susan, back to you.
Okay, Mike, thanks for that.